Never Know by Jack Johnson uses 4 chords throughout most of the song. Have a C sharp minor 7, an F sharp minor 7, a B dominant 7, and an E major chord. For the intro, we strum C sharp major 7 once, let it ring for the whole bar, an F sharp minor 7 once for the whole bar, B7 once for the whole bar, and E for the whole bar. When we go into the verse, the rhythm does change. We're going to strum down in 8th notes. We start on the C sharp minor 7 chord again, and we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we're going to leave that last beat off there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So also pulsing with the left hand to get that staccato sound. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we want to accent the 2 and the 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we do exactly the same thing on the F sharp minor 7 chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to the B7, do exactly the same again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we go to the E chord as normal, but we're going to change the rhythm here. We strum 1 and 2, let that ring, and on 3 and 4 we're going to drop the bass down to a D sharp or the 6th fret of the A and strum the same. 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, bass drop, 3 and 4. And that's our verse. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And that repeats. For the pre-chorus section, we're going to use an A bar chord on the 5th fret of the low E string root. F sharp minor bar chord, 2nd fret of the low E string is the root. We're going to go to the B chord that we used in the verse, but not dominant, just a full B chord. For the first bar, the second bar, we do go down to the dominant. So A, same strumming as the verse, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Into the F sharp, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Up to the B, and we're going to strum all of the 8th notes this time. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then we go to the B7, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So for the B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. But the whole bridge section sounds like this. A. F sharp minor. B. B7. The chorus uses the same chords as the verse. We're just going to change the rhythmic pattern. So instead of strumming 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we're just going to strum 1 and 2. Then we'll move to the F sharp, 3 and 4, B7, 1 and 2, and E, 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, C sharp, F sharp, B7, E. For more Jack Johnson guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching this one, good luck and take care.